Hi Benjamin. So I'm going to explain how to install the bestView. This is probably the box that is at your site. You will need inside you will see a small box containing the cables and some nuts and bolts. And the stopper. The first thing you need to do is take out the the 3D filter out from the body just like that. Place it somewhere safe. And the level foot casters will just slide out. So you got the two front right and left level casters and the side right and left level casters. This is the bestView body here, and down here, right here, is the base. And this side where the button is for the filter height adjustment is the front, which faces the projector, and this side is the back. Okay. So I'm going to start with the front casters. This part always has to go towards the inside of the body. So I'm going to put this to the side just like this. Stick this in. And I'm going to start with this side. So, put the bolt in, the washer in, and then tighten the bolts. So, and I don't want to tighten these yet, okay? First, I want to go to the other side. And put the other front caster in. This is the left one. Do the same here, bolt on this side. After you're done with this side, just tilt it this way on its back and finish this side. And you're finished. After you put the level casters on the base, you have to close the sides again with these, and make sure, because they actually do have inside and out to the sides. If you look here carefully, the edges here are shaved off. This is the outside. You see how this is just flat? This is the inside. So make sure you place the sides back like this and screw the bolts in. Okay. Well, once you finish installing the level foot casters, the hard parts are finished. When you manipulate the height of the bestView body, you need to release this pin this way. But when you do it, you have to make sure that you're holding on to the top handle of the bestView body. Okay, because this has a lot of weight. And when this is unlocked, you see it free falls. If you're not holding on to this, it can just drop. From here, it will just drop when this is unlocked. Okay? So always make sure you're holding the body because it's heavy. Okay. Once you have the height that you want, just lock it. Okay? And after you lock it, we have something called the stopper. Okay, once you got the height that you want, after a complete setup, you just slide this right in. If you need, you can put 2 in here so that it will not fall all the way, just in case somebody has a hand in there or a foot in there. Okay, the stopper will stop it from free falling. Okay. I'm going to put it back to its place. I'm holding on to it with my left hand, unlocking it, slowly putting it down, locking it back up. The next thing we need to do is install the 3D filter. Okay. First, you want to loosen the right side. Okay, you want to loosen this side, this dial here. And get that in its place. Okay. Take this pin out and just rotate it to left. Just once is enough actually to loosen the mount post. Okay, just grab the mount post with your fingers. Okay, hold on to it because it also falls if you don't lock it. So hold on to it and turn it in the opposite direction and just push the pin back in. Now you're ready to attach. This is the front of the bestView body. And you want the side with the bestView logo on to go towards this side, like this. So this fits on the mount just like this. There you go. And then you tighten it by rotating this dial. You need to tighten it very tight. I recommend you using a glove. Okay. After you're finished, place the bestView in front of the projector. I'm just using a small projector here. Okay, place it in front, line it up. Okay. And then the filter is still loose here. So you got to tighten this dial here by turning it this way, so it won't move. Okay. After you're done with that, plug in your sync cable. This end goes into this port, and just use something very small, a small screwdriver. Now, okay. And here's the power cable. This goes in here, and this to the outlet. And now the power is running. Sync cable's in. And this is the L and R switch right here. Just in case your images are swapped, just press this once, and the L and R images will swap back into place. Once you're done with that, by the way, I was using a existing GPI port sync cable, but this is how it looks like. This is this. Same thing. Just use a network cable here. To connect the 3D filter to the body. This goes in just right here, right underneath the mount here. Oops. Okay, and this fits right here. Okay, and everything's installed pretty much. Just take out the protective sheet off the filter, and please don't touch the filter ever. Only when you clean it, wipe it with the cloth. Okay, and now I'm going to turn on the, I'm going to line it up first with the projector, and then turn it on.
끄는 게 나을 것 같은데. 이렇게.
If you look at the screen here, okay, it's if you look here, the projected image is not inside the filter. It's actually outside. So you gotta make it fit. It's too far from the projector, so you want to bring it in like that. Okay, and you can see that it's actually in there. Yeah. Most of the adjustments you want to make, the small adjustments, you want to do it using the 3D filter height adjustment, not the body adjustment. Okay, so you want to pull the pin out again, rotate it to the left till it's loose, and just slide it down manually. Now it's perfectly in the filter. Tighten it, and then push the pin back in, and you're all set. Okay, after you make sure It's in the filter. Turn on the power on the control panel, and you're all finished. And that's it. Enjoy your 3D film. Into the lemon.